Are you looking for the best Nutribullet blenders? There are many products available to choose Nutribullet blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Nutribullet blenders from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nutribullet Pro 1000, a strong, powerful blender that pulverizes ice with ease. Referred to as their next-level nutrient extractor, the Nutribullet Pro 1000 has a powerful motor and 4 sharp blades that are designed to crush ice, pulverize nuts, and fully transform tough fruits and vegetables into smoothies. Plus, we love how the blender is turned on with just a twist of the lid and that it shuts off automatically. The blender includes 2 cups 32 and 24 ounces, and it will not be compatible with smaller options. Additionally, it can be a bit tricky to clean under the blades, which are sharp and should be handled with care. Overall, though, you can't beat the power of this compact workhorse, and at less than $100, it's reasonably priced too. Pros: high-powered, automatic turn-off, includes 2 cups and lids. Cons: can be difficult to clean, no variable speeds, not compatible with other cups. Number 2. Nutribullet Personal Blender, a budget-friendly blender that makes perfect smoothies for one. The original Nutribullet is the machine that started it all. Though upgraded versions have added bells and whistles over the years, you still can't beat the function of this blender for one. This model includes one 24-ounce cup with 1 lip and sealing ring, but you can purchase a compatible 18-ounce cup and lip too. With a 600-watt motor, it's not as strong as other models on the list, but it's still powerful enough to blend a smoothie or milkshake with ease. Plus, the cups can go straight from the blender base to your dishwasher once finished. Pros: dishwasher safe, compact, affordable. Cons: loud, no automatic shut-off, only includes 1 cup. Number 3. Nutribullet Pro 900, a powerful blender that's one step up from the original Nutribullet. Ranked as our best blender for personal use, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is portable but strong, empowering users to make smoothies anywhere. While it's not large enough for big batches of guacamole or nut butters, it's powerful enough to blend shakes, salsas, and soups. Including 2 32-ounce cups with lids, handles, and more, you're getting plenty of bang for your buck. Pros: powerful, easy to clean, available in a rainbow of colors. Cons: no automatic shut-off. Number 4. Nutribullet Blender Combo. With a 64-ounce cup, speed settings, and a pulse option, this blender can feed a family with the press of a button. With the ability to hold up to 64 ounces, the Nutribullet Blender Combo outsizes every other option on this list. Plus, it comes with a single cup that can be used for personal drinks too. Unlike other Nutribullet options, this blender includes speed controls, a pulsing ability, and a 1200-watt motor for plenty of power. It is pricier than the other blenders on the list, and it will occupy more kitchen space, but it's a dependable blender that can be used for the whole family. Pros: ability to control speed, large blender, powerful motor. Cons: takes up a lot of counter space, more expensive than other options. Number 5. Nutribullet Pro Plus, a sharp, powerful blender that makes fruits and vegetables silky smooth. An upgrade from the Nutribullet Pro, this model includes a stronger motor for plenty of power. We even gave it our Best Motor Award in our list of the best portable blenders. According to the Nutribullet website, this model can pulverize fresh turmeric root, blackberry seeds, wheatgrass, kale, and more. It also includes a pre-programmed pulse function and automatic shut-off, so all you need to do is add your ingredients and fire up the blender. It'll take care of the rest on its own. Pros: strong, dishwasher safe, won't leave chunks of fruit, skin, or ice. Cons: some users have complained of leaks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.